my name is Walt Koz from Past Gas Company, and this morning we have just delivered 3 pieces here at the American Muscle Car Museum. The first piece was this custom blend pump. This pump started in 1959 when Sun Oil decided to commission the Wayne Pump Company to build this pump exclusively for them. And the unique thing about it is that it will blend 5 different octanes depending on the car that you pull up to the pump with. This is an early version, which is probably early 60s model, and it's indicative of these blend wheels. So what happens is there are 2 underground tanks that the blended octanes come from, and this particular pump was able to do 5 different. The 190 was the sub-regular or economy, the 200 was the regular gasoline, 240 was the premium, 260 of course was the super premium, and that was the fuel of choice back in the day for Saturday night drag racing in town. As you were pumping the gas, these blend wheels would turn at a different rate depending on what amount of each of the 2 octanes in the underground tanks they blend from. So one tank had 190 and the other tank had 260. So they would blend according to the octane that was being delivered for the particular car.